Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mud water taste better. First, let's tackle the initial clarification. Allow your muddy water to sit undisturbed for several hours, letting the heavier particles settle to the bottom. Then, carefully decant the clearer water into a new container, being mindful not to disturb the sediment. For an extra step, you can use a clean cloth or coffee filter to strain out larger impurities. This simple process significantly improves the water's appearance and texture. Next, we'll explore more advanced filtration. You can create a simple DIY filter using layers of sand, gravel, and even a piece of cloth. For a significant improvement in taste and odor, incorporate activated charcoal into your filter layers. This material is excellent at absorbing impurities. Remember, even after filtering, boiling the water for at least 1 minute is crucial to kill harmful microorganisms, making it safer to drink. Now let's talk about making that water truly palatable. Once your water is clean and safe, you can enhance its flavor naturally. A few drops of fresh lemon or lime juice can add a refreshing zest. For a more aromatic experience, try infusing it with fresh mint leaves or thin slices of ginger. Even a tiny pinch of salt can surprisingly balance the taste, making it more pleasant to drink. Finally, let's cover some important storage and usage tips. Always store your purified water in clean, airtight containers to prevent recontamination. For the best taste and safety, aim to consume treated water within 24 hours. While filtration greatly improves clarity and taste, remember that boiling remains the most reliable method for ensuring the water is safe to drink. Stay hydrated and safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.